Every year, millions of SUV owners spend thousands on maintenance, repairs, and insurance, but some models stand apart. These SUVs don't just survive tough roads, long commutes, and bad weather. They keep running for decades, protecting your wallet and your peace of mind. In this countdown, we'll look at 9 proven SUVs that stay dependable long after others wear out. The Subaru Forester has earned a reputation for exceptional reliability. Consumer Reports once gave it a 98 out of 100 reliability score, one of the highest ever awarded to a compact SUV. Owners commonly reach 200,000 miles and beyond with consistent servicing. Every Forester comes with Subaru's all-wheel drive system, designed to deliver equal power to all 4 wheels. This setup provides grip in snow, rain, and mud, without needing complex electronics or optional upgrades. The chassis is strong and balanced, giving the Forester the ability to handle tough road conditions without strain. Parts are easy to find, and Subaru's widespread network of independent mechanics helps keep running costs manageable. The car's shared components across other Subaru models also mean cheaper repairs when something does wear out. Fuel efficiency remains impressive for a vehicle with full-time AWD, making it ideal for mixed driving, city commuting during the week, and weekend trails when adventure calls. Buyers should still verify that CVT fluid has been serviced regularly and inspect head gaskets or timing chains in older examples. A well-kept Forester is one of the longest-lasting investments an SUV owner can make. The Mazda CX-5 has become a standout among compact SUVs for delivering both refinement and endurance. RepairPal gives it a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, and long-term ownership surveys show low repair frequency compared to many competitors. Mazda engineers avoided using CVT transmissions, choosing instead a conventional 6-speed automatic. This design is smoother, easier to maintain, and proven to handle high mileage with fewer issues. The structure of the CX-5 adds to its reliability, strong chassis rigidity, and balanced weight distribution help reduce mechanical stress across suspension and drivetrain components. Mechanics appreciate the CX-5 for its straightforward design. Electronics and accessory systems remain simpler than those in other SUVs packed with fragile technology. Spare parts are widely available, and Mazda's service network ensures consistent maintenance support. Used buyers also find strong resale value. Owners trust the brand's reputation, which keeps demand high even for older models. Those shopping for a CX-5 should focus on base or mid-level trims with standard features and confirm regular maintenance of suspension and fluids. When properly cared for, this SUV remains solid, efficient, and ready for years of dependable use. The Acura RDX blends luxury features with proven Honda reliability. Between 2013 and 2018, it shared the same 3.5-liter V6. Engine and transmission used in the Honda Pilot, a combination known for lasting well over 200,000 miles with routine servicing. Owners appreciate how the RDX delivers upscale comfort without complicated mechanical systems. The V6 powertrain is naturally aspirated, the gearbox uses conventional hydraulics, and the electronic systems are minimal compared to many German luxury SUVs. The result is steady performance and a low risk of unexpected repairs. Depreciation works in favor of smart buyers. Older RDX models often sell for less than Toyota RAV4s of the same age, while offering more features and interior space. That makes it a value pick for anyone who wants comfort without high maintenance bills. Owner reports regularly show 150,000-mile milestones with no significant issues beyond standard consumables. For best results, buyers should confirm service records, inspect suspension and air conditioning systems, and ensure regular fluid changes. The RDX remains one of the most dependable ways to experience luxury driving at an everyday cost. The Toyota RAV4 dominates reliability rankings year after year. thousands of owners report reaching 300,000 miles without major mechanical failure. Older models from the early 2010s still operate on their original drivetrains, and even high-mileage examples maintain smooth operation with only basic servicing. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine has been a cornerstone of Toyota's lineup for years. Its conservative tuning, strong internal components, and proven design keep it running efficiently under all driving conditions. Combined with a robust chassis and long-lasting drivetrain, the RAV4 has become a global benchmark for SUV dependability. Toyota's approach to cost efficiency shows in ownership data. Fuel economy remains competitive, maintenance parts are inexpensive, and service intervals are straightforward. Depreciation is mild, with used RAV4s maintaining resale values far better than most rivals. The RAV4 also scores well for safety, which helps lower insurance premiums and long-term costs. Buyers should look for trims with a complete service history and avoid versions overloaded with complex electronic systems. A clean, well-maintained RAV4 delivers a combination of endurance, practicality, and financial stability that few SUVs can match. The Subaru Outback helped shape the crossover category, and decades later, it still defines reliability. Many Outbacks reach 200,000 miles on nothing more than oil changes, brake pads, and scheduled maintenance. Well-kept examples have been documented exceeding 300,000 miles while retaining original engines and transmissions. Every Outback features Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, providing consistent traction and even weight distribution. This mechanical setup reduces drivetrain strain, enhances stability, and keeps wear patterns uniform. Because all trims share the same configuration, there are fewer failure points across model years. Safety ratings consistently remain among the best in its class. The Outback often earns top Safety Pick Plus recognition from IIHS, which not only improves driver confidence, but also leads to lower insurance premiums. With a low frequency of structural recalls and dependable crash test performance, it's one of the most secure long-term purchases on the market. Subaru's parts network and widespread familiarity among mechanics make servicing simple. Shared components across multiple Subaru models reduce cost and complexity for owners. The 2020 model year is a well-regarded choice, offering modern technology and refined comfort without losing the classic Subaru toughness. If this SUV earned your respect, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more car guides that actually save money. Share this video with anyone hunting for a long-lasting ride. It might help them pick a winner. The Toyota 4Runner remains one of the most dependable midsize SUVs ever made. Built on a body-on-frame chassis, it uses the same rugged architecture as Toyota's trucks, which gives it outstanding strength and longevity. Many owners report passing 200,000 miles with little more than regular maintenance, and enthusiasts often call 300,000 miles an achievable goal for well-maintained examples. RepairPal estimates the average annual maintenance cost at $514, which is below the average for midsize SUVs. Real-world data consistently places the 4Runner among the top 10 vehicles for long-term reliability. Its design favors mechanical endurance over experimental features, relying on proven components and conservative tuning. Inside, the focus is on function over flair. Fewer high-tech systems mean fewer potential faults, and the electronics that are included have been tested across Toyota's entire lineup. Forum discussions from longtime owners show a pattern of consistent reliability, minimal transmission issues, and strong engine life even under heavy use. When buying used, check for frame rust in vehicles from areas with salted roads and verify suspension condition. A clean 4Runner with complete service records represents one of the strongest long-term automotive investments available, capable of outlasting many vehicles that cost twice as much. The Lexus GX combines luxury comfort with the unbreakable DNA of a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Many examples easily reach 250,000 to 300,000 miles, and owners frequently describe those figures as normal rather than exceptional. Its 4.6-liter V8 engine and full-time four-wheel drive system share much of their design with Toyota's global truck lineup, giving the GX a mechanical advantage over most luxury rivals. iSeeCars data shows an average lifespan of over 170,000 miles for the GX 460, and independent reports listed among the longest-lasting luxury SUVs sold in the United States. The drivetrain has remained largely unchanged through multiple generations, ensuring consistent parts availability and simple servicing. While repair costs are slightly higher than non-luxury SUVs, the GX rarely suffers major failures. Typical maintenance involves suspension components, fluid changes, and occasional bushings, items that are routine for vehicles of its size. Sharing parts with the Toyota range keeps costs lower than expected for a luxury model. Buyers should focus on lower trims without complex adaptive suspension systems or excessive electronic add-ons. A well-maintained GX delivers a rare mix of quiet comfort and unstoppable endurance. For families or travelers who value dependability in all terrains, it remains one of the most trusted luxury SUVs ever built. The Toyota Sequoia represents the full-size SUV built for lifetime ownership. Powered by Toyota's time-tested V8 engine, it's engineered for torque, hauling, and longevity. The Sequoia consistently appears in industry studies of vehicles most likely to reach 250,000 miles or more, confirming its place among Toyota's elite long-life models. It shares its mechanical base with the Toyota Tundra pickup and the Land Cruiser family, giving it the same durability under load. The heavy-duty suspension and robust drivetrain allow it to handle towing and full passenger capacity for years without strain. Because Toyota used common components across these platforms, parts availability is excellent, and service costs remain predictable. The Sequoia's resale value stays high even after years of use, largely because demand for reliable large SUVs continues to grow. Many owners hold on to their Sequoias for more than a decade, treating them as one-time purchases that rarely require major repairs. For buyers, the main considerations are rust on older frames, cooling system condition, and timing chain maintenance. A properly serviced Sequoia is nearly unmatched in dependability. For anyone who needs an SUV that can carry families, cargo, and confidence across long distances, this vehicle stands as a benchmark of mechanical reliability. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid takes long-term reliability into the hybrid era. Its combination of electric motors and a gasoline engine creates less stress on mechanical components while extending service life. The hybrid system splits the workload, reducing engine wear and improving fuel economy. Toyota's hybrid technology has a proven record through millions of vehicles sold. The Highlander Hybrid benefits from that heritage, using a system refined since the early Prius models. Owners routinely report well over 200,000 miles of smooth performance with minimal battery degradation. It regularly appears on lists of the longest-lasting hybrid SUVs, confirming its durability in both daily commuting and long-distance travel. Fuel economy gives it a strong cost advantage over time. The hybrid variant cuts fuel use dramatically compared to standard SUVs of its size, while maintaining steady reliability. Its dual-motor setup ensures consistent traction and reduced mechanical load on the transmission. Servicing is supported by Toyota's extensive hybrid network. Technicians across the world are trained to maintain the system, and replacement parts are easy to find. To ensure longevity, buyers should verify hybrid battery health, cooling system performance, and inverter maintenance records. Found your next reliable SUV? Hit subscribe and turn on the bell for weekly guides on cars that last, save money, and deliver performance without constant repairs or hidden costs.